You're tuned in to the Hairstylist Empowerment Podcast, the show where artists become earners, clients become superfans, and your chair becomes a platform for change. And around here, we don't gatekeep, we game plan. Every week, we break down what's actually working behind the chair and behind the brand. Smarter booking, magnetic messaging, premium pricing without the apology, and systems that protect your energy while you grow your income. Because the industry is shifting fast, clients want effortless, longer-lasting looks. Tech and AI are reshaping how we attract, book, and rebook. And owners are fighting margin squeeze with better experiences, not cheaper services. We bring you the data, the playbooks, and the pros who are doing it right, so you can too. Real simple. And today, we're kicking off the Beauty Industry Pros Solution Series. Rapid-fire, step-by-step fixes you can implement before your next client walks in. Expect actionable checklists, scripts that convert, and revenue moves backed by real salon metrics and industry insights. Pro Beauty Association. So if you're a stylist, colorist, barber, educator, or salon owner who's ready to raise your standards, your prices, and your voice, hit follow, share this with a beauty pro you love, and let's build the business and the life you came here for. This is your moment. Let's empower it. The beauty industry's nice girl lie. That's keeping you broke. You know her. She smiles through every shift. She says yes to every last-minute squeeze-in. She stays late, works on her day off, throws in a little extra for free, and she's proud of being easy to work with. She's adored by her clients, admired by her peers, and she's exhausted, broke, invisible in the marketplace. I hate to say it, but the beauty industry is built on rewarding the nice girl image until it eats you alive. And as a beauty psychology expert, I'm here to tell you that if you've been sold this lie, it's time to break it before it breaks you. The lie we're taught from day one. From cosmetology school to the break room of your first salon, there's an unspoken rule. Open quote, be nice, keep the peace, don't rock the boat. Close quote. We're trained to believe that being nice will keep our chairs full. That saying yes to everything and everyone is the secret to loyalty. That over-delivering without asking for more money is how you earn your place. But here's the truth. Being nice is not the same as being respected. In psychology, this is called fawning, a trauma response where we overplease to avoid rejection. It feels like kindness, but it's actually fear in a cute outfit. How the nice girl lie shows up in the beauty industry. It's sneaky. It hides behind good intentions. But if you're seeing these patterns, you might be caught in it. 1, you never raise your prices because you don't want to lose people. 2, you overstuff your schedule to help out, even when it costs you your health. 3, you throw in freebies, toners, nail art, treatments without charging because you feel bad asking. 4, you avoid enforcing policies for no-shows or late cancellations because life happens. 5, you keep toxic clients because you don't want to be mean. Sound familiar? Why this lie keeps you broke. When you run your business like a charity for the sake of being liked, you're not just losing money. You're training your clients to devalue your time, your craft, and your expertise. In behavioral psychology, people assign worth based on boundaries. If you make yourself endlessly available, they subconsciously assume your time isn't rare or valuable. If you never raise your rates, they assume your skill hasn't grown. If you overgive, they assume it's cheap for you to do so. The result? You become the nice one instead of the in-demand expert they happily pay a premium for. The shift from nice to respected. I'm not telling you to become rude or cold. I'm telling you to upgrade your version of nice. Here's the difference. Old nice girl energy says yes to avoid upsetting people. Empowered artist energy says yes when it's aligned, no when it's not, and offers alternatives without guilt. Here are 3 steps to break the nice girl cycle in your beauty business. 1, set and communicate boundaries clearly. Post your policies. Enforce them. Say them out loud during consultations. When you communicate up front, you take the awkward out of enforcing later. Example script. I'd love to fit you in, but my next available spot is Tuesday at 2 p.m. That way I can give you my full attention. 2, price for the value you bring, not just the service you do. Stop calculating your worth based on what others in your area charge. Price for your experience and education, the transformation you create, the time and energy you invest. If you feel resistance here, remember, Raising your prices weeds out the wrong clients and makes room for the right ones. 3. Replace overgiving with over-delivering, strategically. There's a difference. Overgiving is throwing in extras without being paid for them. Over-delivering is making the client experience so seamless, personal, and luxe that they want to pay more and tell everyone about you. That could mean streamlining your booking process, creating a signature ritual or scent in your space, offering intentional upgrades, and charging for them. The heart of it all. The nice girl lie thrives on fear. Fear of not being liked, fear of losing clients, fear of being seen as difficult. But here's the thing. You don't need everyone to like you. You need the right people to respect you, value you, and pay you what you're worth. And the moment you stop equating your likability with your income, you stop surviving in this industry and start thriving in it. Action step for this week. Choose one boundary you've been avoiding and enforce it unapologetically. That might mean charging a no-show fee, turning down a last-minute squeeze-in, or finally sending out that price increase notice. Do it with kindness. Do it with confidence. And watch how fast the energy in your business shifts. Thanks for spending your time with us here on the Hairstylist Empowerment Podcast, where beauty pros come to get inspired, get strategies, and get solutions. If today's episode sparked something for you, don't keep it to yourself. Follow the show right now so you never miss the next conversation. Take a quick screenshot, share it to Instagram stories, and tag me signing off from the Hairstylist Empowerment Podcast. I'll see you in the next episode. I'd love to repost and shout you out. And if you're serious about building a thriving beauty business, leave us a 5-star review on Apple or Spotify. Your feedback helps more stylists find this community, and it means the world to me. Remember, your chair isn't just where you style hair, it's where you change lives. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and keep empowering yourself and others.